Leftovers in their less visible form are called memories, stored in the refrigerator of the mind and the cupboard of the heart. Robert Fulghum is an American author and Unitarian Universalist minister best known for his book, All I Really Need to Know, I Learned in Kindergarten, a collection of essays reflecting on life's simple truths. His work often explores themes of common humanity, everyday wisdom, and the importance of small, ordinary moments. This gem hails from Quip Quirk, Revelations in Raillery and Rhetoric, a delightful collage of sparkling moments, each meticulously selected with the discerning touch of Kalavox's curation.